Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. But listen, before you watch the video, please, the link below, click subscribe. Trying to get my subscribers up. Give me a thumbs up. I do videos every day to try to help other mechanics and just other homeowners who are struggling with a machine, and they might need to find the solutions or the answers to the problem that they're having. So enjoy the video. Don't forget, subscribe and like. Thanks guys. We're about to do an oil change on a TORO Groundsmaster 4500D. And just really quickly, I'm not going to film the whole process. I'm just going to show you where all the key locations are on the machine. So this is the machine right here. All right, got the hood up. As you can see, TORO Groundsmaster 4500D. This is a diesel. Now I am at the back of the machine, so that would be on the right side. So what you want to do is come down right by the rear tire here, right in front, and go straight back. And there's your plug right there in the oil pan. There's also another one. I don't know if we can see that right there. That one's a little harder to get to, so we're going to go with that one. But the deck is in the way here, because that oil is going to drop right down on these bars here. So it's going to be kind of tough to get a pan in here. A couple options: if you have a hose attachment you want to hook on there and reroute it, or you can simply just slide this deck forward, and there's just a pin on the front of these that you can just slide this pin out like that, and then this deck will slide forward like that. Now you can see you got a nice little gap here. Put something there, and when you're done draining the oil, you can just pull that deck right back up there. Don't forget to put the pin back in. Now the oil filter, come around to the other side of the machine, and you'll see it right there. It's right under the coolant bottle there, and it's your oil filter, and that is a Napa, can't really see in there, 1334. And if you want to know where the oil goes, you can come right up here on the very top of the machine, the top of your valve cover. You can see it right there. All right, so we are going right behind the coolant bottle there, right back, and there it is right there. All right, those are the all the key points on changing the oil. So hope this helps. See you next time.